We're gonna have a party, we're gonna have a party. Ooh, we're all ready. Got my food.
Hi, honey.
Hi, Miss Kalai, how are you?
I'm great. And you two looking stunning today.
Oh, thank you. I'm very excited for what we're gonna have today.
Yes, anyway, my heartiest happy birthday on your big day. So what you're going to have for us? I bring along my friend Nina and Mina.
Hello, Nina and Mina. So, I've already prepared our party packs. I'm so excited. So, I'm gonna give this to
Thank you.
This is to Mina. And this is to Nina.
Wow, so nice
and
of you.
Course,
and
when we are
party hat, yeah.
Party hats when we're having a party.
Yeah.
So one for you, one for Mina, and one for Nina. And to fill your tummies, we have this yummy.
Look yummy.
Yeah, so that's one for you. This is one for Mina, and of course one for Mina. But I got an extra one.
Why? I leave one left over.
Yes, I got one left over.
It's look odd.
It looks odd. What do you mean by odd?
Oh, you want to know what is odd? Let's explore.
Okay.
Didik TV KPM.
Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you're all keeping well and safe at home. See, I'm overexcited because we're going to have a little birthday party. My name is Hanif Sean and now you are watching Didik TV KPM. And you know what? Today we are very excited because we're going to be learning one of my most favorite subject, which I'm sure is yours as well, which is mathematics with dual language program. And earlier you have watched myself and our teacher coming for a bit of a party, and of course you would like to know who this teacher is. Let's take a look at her profile. Yes, you have met her earlier in the party and you've already read her profile. And of course, with me, I have Miss Kalaivaani Suppiah from Sekolah Jenis Kebangsaan Tamil Rawang Selangor. How are you, Miss Kalai?
I'm fine, Hanif. Doing great.
Thank you. And I'm sure we're also excited with the party today, right?
Yeah, in a celebration mood.
Oh, we're all in celebration mood, that's right. And Miss Kalai, it's not just the both of us here.
Yes.
We do have 4 other pupils joining us for this party. They're also from Sekolah Jenis Kebangsaan Tamil Rawang Selangor. And can you all wave at us? Where are my 4 friends? Can you wave at us?
Wave.
There you go. I love to see their energy, their smiling faces. And let me just introduce their names. They are Karthik and Rishi, Kirtana, as well as Sachin. Yes, can you just give another huge energetic wave because we will start our celebration in just a few more seconds. There you go. Okay, I love those energy. And of course, what do we have next? Miss Kalai, I'm sure you'd like to share with us perhaps our learning objectives?
Yeah. Okay, let's have our kids over there and viewers at home. Let's have another fun learning with teacher Kalai. Okay. As what Abang Hanif says today, we are still looking at numbers. Okay. As we all know, numbers are wonders. Numbers are amazing.
That is true.
Yeah, Hanif. Yes. Okay. So we are in the. We are going to learn the sequence of numbers today. Okay. Are you ready? Shall we?
Yes, and I do have one question for you, Miss Kalai. You did mention that it was odd. I'm still wondering, what do you mean by odd of this little cake that I have?
That's what we are going to explore next. Okay.
Odd
right. Sounds weird, right?
Yes, it does.
Odd also has the partner. Okay. It won't stand alone. It has partner as even. Okay.
Odd and even.
Yeah.
Right.
Can we?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay. As per today, let's puzzle out first. Okay. So our learning standard. Okay. 1.21 characterize odd and even numbers. 1.2.2 classify odd and even numbers. Okay. I know that Hanif is still wondering what is odd and even numbers.
Yes,
okay.
I am.
Next. Okay. So today's learning objective, kids. Say and identify odd and even numbers based on the number sets that I will give later. And then second one, classify odd and even numbers by using bubble map. sure we will have the bubble map, number grid and logo set. Okay, that's why what Abang Anif said, we are going to have a fun and celebration. Okay, now third one, play a fun game about odd and even number. So I believe that everyone is ready for the extravaganza activities today.
Yes, that's right, I'm sure. And of course, we have 4 students here, and I'm still wondering, are these the odd numbers, or is this the even number that we have amount of pupils here? And I think we'll be answering that question after our break, because we're going to take a short break because I'm going to start eating a bit of a cake. Do not go anywhere, stay with us on DDET TV KPM.
DDET TV KPM. DDET TV KPM.
And we are back with this birthday celebration that I'm having today on DDET TV KPM. I'm just kidding, it's just a celebration while we are learning about odd numbers and even numbers. And definitely with me we have a teacher, which is Miss Kalai, who has just explained to us about the objectives of our learning today. And of course we have 4 other pupils joining us also from SJKT Rawang Selangor. And Miss Kalai, what else do we have right now as part of our odd and even numbers celebration?
Actually, Anif, maths is always fun, okay? And we have different types of numbers if you really look at the mathematical ideology, okay? But today, as for the level 2 primary level, so we are going to look at odd and even numbers, okay? I'm going to be serious now, a bit serious, okay?
Sure, let's going to be serious right now.
Okay, what is an even number? So we start from even, okay? Any idea, Anif?
How was that again?
Any idea about even number?
Even number, I have a feeling it's... I think I will wait for your explanation.
Okay,
we're going to see how it is.
Okay. Now, let's see here, kids. Even number is evenly or equally shared. Okay. When it comes to equally shared, so what operation is there involving? Sure, pretty sure you all know about that. Okay. When it comes to equally shared, it is divisible. Okay. So, when it comes to even number, it is divisible by 2. Only by 2. That means, in another saying, we can group it into 2. Okay. This means that the number is equal if it can be shared. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, next, these are the examples of even numbers. And if these are the examples, okay?
These are the examples.
Yeah, 0, 2, 4, 6, 10, 46, 28, 66, 78, 44, 92. We have 102, 158, 464, 214, 604, 998. The last row, Anif?
Wow, that's a lot. That's 12,548, 64,782, and last one, 60,532. Am I right, Miss Kalai?
Yeah, but how do you identify? How you can tell that all these are even numbers?
I would assume because you have 0, 2, 4.
And there are some numbers missing, right?
There are a lot of numbers I think missing as well. Yeah. Is it a multiplication of 2, Miss Kalai?
Wow, you're right.
Okay,
as what I said
guess.
just now, the even numbers can divide by 2. So in other way, we can say all the even numbers are multiples of 2.
Yes.
Wow, you are simply superb.
That is true. Miss Kalai, maybe we can ask our pupils, perhaps if they can give us an example of one even number.
Yeah.
Shall we start with Sachin? Can you tell us one even number, just any number?
2.
2.
2. Okay.
Is that right?
Yeah, 2.
That is
As
right.
you can see in the screen, 2 is an even number.
2 is there. Okay, let's try one more perhaps.
Yeah.
What about you, Rishi? Share with us one even number. Yes.
16.
16. Is that
16,
an
right?
even
Yeah,
number?
16 is an even number. You are right.
Great. Good
But
job.
we will
Good job to our
look
pupils.
more and more how to identify even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, so far you all good job. Okay, you all great. Okay.
Well done.
Yes. Next. So we are look about what is an odd number. Okay, a number which have one left over, as what we saw just now. When he distribute the cake, yummy cake, so one is left over. He can't share it equally among myself and the other two friends, right? So one is left over. For example, let's say we have example here, 5 cinnamon rolls. Another.
Love that.
Yes, and 5 cinnamon rolls will be shared by 2 people. You can see that each person will get 2, right? So the remaining one will be remain. The remaining one is called the leftover. So if you have the leftover, it is not an even number. We call it as odd number. Okay, kids? Okay, now examples of odd numbers. We have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If you look at from previous slide, number from 0 to 10, we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 here. And for odd numbers, we have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, the rest, Anif?
Okay, there's a lot of numbers there. Let me try. 55, 63, 71, 69, 21, 105, 913, catching my breath, 417, 523, 841. Okay, the last row is the most challenging.
10,459, 27,379 and 33,103.
There's
okay?
a lot of number 3 there at the end.
Okay, so what we looked just now, we look at examples of even and odd numbers. And what are even and odd numbers? So children, you must be able to say that numbers that can be grouped by 2 are even numbers, or you can divide by 2. And numbers that couldn't be divided by 2 or grouped by 2 are odd numbers. Okay. Next, we are going to have a look on a video about the division. Okay, strategies of division on odd and even numbers.
Strategies of division on odd and even
Yes.
numbers. All right, let's watch the video together.
Well, kids, okay, how we are going to identify either a number is odd or even. So we can apply the strategy of division here. Okay, for an example, we have 24, we divide by 2, we will get equally, the answer is 12, right? And we have 65, we divide by 2, whereby we get 32 and the remainder is 1. So we know that 1 is left over here. Okay. So we can conclude that 24 is even number and 65 is odd number. Why 65 is odd number? Because it has 1 remainder there. Okay. So this is another method to identify odd and even number.
Yes, I think that video really helps us, Miss Kalai, because I find it very interactive and it's so much easier for us to recognize, identify between odd numbers and even numbers. Very helpful video,
we have
definitely.
Another method also which we call as pairing method. Okay, but before I move on, I would like to say that just now I introduced not the division, not by doing the long division. It's another new technique of doing division by using the boxes. Okay, I believe my kids are aware of that. Okay, so next, kids, we have seen about the odd numbers and even numbers, and also how to identify by applying strategies of division. Okay, next, first trick, all numbers alternate between odd and even numbers. Do you understand what is alternate? Okay, let's look at this chart. Okay, we have numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, so you see here 1, 11, 31. Okay, 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30 and down here. Okay, so if you look at this 1, 11, 21, 31, 41 up to 91, this is odd numbers. Okay, right. As what we said just now, Anif said the even numbers are multiples of 2, right? Okay, right. We have 2, 12, 22, 32, 42 up to 92, and we jump to 4, 6, 8 and 10, and there are the numbers in their rows. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you, 1 is odd number, the second one is even, and then we go, the third one is odd and even, so it's alternate. And amazingly, I'm telling that the numbers are already arranged sequentially in odd and even order.
Yes, that is
you got
right,
it, Anif?
Ms. Kala, yes.
Yes.
And even going up, that's horizontally, that's in sequential, alternately, and if you go down by row, it's already arranged in as a group of odd numbers, as a group of even numbers.
So numbers are already arranged sequentially in odd and even numbers. That's why kids at the primary levels, they must know what is odd and even numbers.
That is
okay?
true.
So this is the example, okay? For that all numbers alternate between odd and even numbers. Okay, I move on. Okay, as what I explained just now, odd, even, and it goes like that. Okay,
Yeah, that is
amazing, right? Numbers.
Yep.
Okay.
Is it easy for all of you at home, my friends? Yes. Okay. Can you give me a thumbs up if you're doing good? Yeah, there you go. Okay. So they're fully grasped what we have been learning so far. And what else? There's a second trick.
Okay, second trick for numbers bigger than 10. Okay. Bigger than 10 means, can you say a number bigger than 10?
Let me try 11.
Bigger than the greater value.
101.
101. So we are going to identify that is either it is odd or even number. So second trick, to know if it's odd or even, you must look at the number at the end.
Look at the last
101
digit.
At the end. Or we can say, if you look, we say the place value, look at the ones place value of the number. I'm pretty sure you know place value. We start from ones, tens, hundred, and so on. So you must refer to the ones place value. Always refer to the ones place value. Okay? Okay. And then these are the partners. As I said just now, we looked at the methods of identifying odd and even numbers. One is by dividing the numbers. Okay, how greater the number is. Second one, you just see the first, the n number or the first place value, and you also can see the partners. Okay, partners of odd and even numbers. Okay, even numbers, it's n with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Always remember, even numbers ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. And how about odd numbers?
I see 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9.
Yeah,
that should be the last number.
Yes, last number. It ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So you have to memorize, you have to bear in your mind these two set numbers, these partners. We call it as partners. Okay. Miss Even and Mr. Odd. Okay. Again, teacher repeat here, even numbers they are end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and odd numbers it ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Yes. Are you all able to remember that? It's the last number as you mentioned, right, Miss Kalai? Last number has to show this one, yes. There you go. Sachin gave us a thumbs up.
Sachin understand. Okay, well done boys, Sachin. Okay, now let's practice kid. Okay, time for you to practice, to respond. Okay, now, we have Kirtana. Kirtana, can you read out the number?
356.
Great. Okay, now you tell me either it is an odd number or even number.
It's even number.
Why you said so? Can you justify your answer, dear?
Because number 6 is even number.
Yes, she got it. She looked at the n number or the first place value, right? One's place value 6. She remembered that 6 is even number.
That is right.
Is that
and
much
you got
easy,
the right
Anif?
answer. So she gets a cake
Yay.
for her right answer. Well done, Kirtana.
Okay. Now, let's move on.
Sure.
Okay, second number. Who wants to try? A quick one.
Do I see any?
Yeah,
Karthik.
okay. Karthik. Say out the number, Karthik.
651.
Yes. Okay. How about the number? Type of number? Odd or even?
Odd.
Why it is odd?
Because one is odd number.
Yes, one is always odd number and you refer to the n number, right? Okay.
That is true. And I think Karthik gets a cake as well.
Yeah.
Well done, Karthik.
Okay, and we have another
Oh, this is
number.
a huge number.
Yes. Maybe Rishi can try.
Even number, teacher.
Wow, can you name the number?
24,568.
Wow.
Yes, very quickly you can see it's even number. Why? Can you justify?
Because n with 8.
Yes.
There's another cake
yes,
goes
awesome.
to you.
Yeah.
Well done, Rishi.
Yes, okay. The last one.
Got one more.
Maybe Sachin?
97,015.
And 15. You're right. Okay. How about the number? Your answer.
Odd.
Odd number. Because why? It
Because
ends
the
with...
first is odd number.
Yes, the end number is odd number. That is 5. 5 is odd number. So here we can conclude that how greater the value of number. Okay. You see, if you realize from the smaller number, teacher moved to the greater number. So how greater number you are facing, you just look at the end number. Okay. And you must remember the partners. Then you will get the correct answer. Either it is odd or even.
That is true. And of course, I think Sachin got a cake as well for his correct answer. And there goes all 4 of my cakes. We have to take a short break because I need to find more cakes for myself. Make sure you continue with us on Didik TV KPM.
Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.
Back with us on Didik TV KPM, and today we are learning definitely one of my favorite subjects, and I'm sure it's 4 of our pupils today as well favorite subject, which is mathematics dual language program. And who's teaching us? We have Miss Kalai with us. And Miss Kalai, before we had our break, you were explaining to us about the pairing, the partners of odd and even numbers, right? So what else are we going to have right now? Are we going to have like a game?
You're on the right track now. Okay, before we move on, we proceed with the interactive activities. I would like to test Anif.
Okay.
Do you still remember the partners, the end number for odd and even number?
I can try.
Okay, come, take the numbers and just group them.
Okay, so let me try with number 2. Number 2 would be... So you have odd, you have even. So let me try. I think number 2 is even. Let me try number 9. Okay, number 9. That should fall under odd. Number 4.
You already placed them separately. Okay.
Yes, number 4. Could it be odd? I think it might be odd. Let me see.
Okay, kids, is that correct? Okay, you can comment on that.
Okay. So I have a bit more to go. 7. I think 7 goes as an odd number. And okay. Oh no, I have number 6. Okay, my friends. Number 6. Is it an odd or an even number? Number 6.
It's an even number.
Is an even number, right? Okay, I think that
Wow,
should
the kids
be
are helping you,
right.
Anif. Okay.
I have 0. Okay, I'm not able to remember 0. Can someone help me with 0?
Even is even number.
Even number. Ah, they paid more attention than I did. That's
Yeah.
correct. And number 3, I think number 3 is an odd number. Is that right, my friends?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
That's right. And I have 2 more to go. Okay, number 1 and number 5. Number 1, it's odd or even? Number 1.
Odd number. Odd number.
Odd number. Okay, and we
Odd
got last
number.
one, number 5. What do you all think?
Odd number.
Odd number. Okay, I trust you with that. All right.
Well,
Miss Kalai,
Anif, okay, we
did I
see
get
here,
all
we
the
check
answers right?
here. Okay, so you know that is an odd number and this is an even number, right? Okay.
That is true.
2860, okay, ends with. These numbers are called as even numbers. And here, we have 9, 4, 7, 3, 1 and 5. Is that correct, kids? We have one odd here. Who can tell that? Who can comment on that?
Is there something wrong?
Number 4 is even number.
Yes,
Number 4
Kirtana.
is an even
Why,
number. Oh,
Anif?
yes. Because we can divide it with 2.
Yes.
And there's no
the 4 is
leftover.
divisible by 2. Yes.
That's right.
And no leftover, no remainder.
No
Okay.
leftover, so 4 goes to the even group.
Yeah.
There you go.
Now it's right. Okay? And if you got it correctly.
Thank you, my friends, for helping me.
Okay, next, kids, it's time for you to involve in the interactive activity. So take out your bubble map. That's with you. Here also we can see the bubble maps. Bubble maps, one for odd number and one for even number. Okay, now teacher want you all to fill the bubbles with odd and even numbers. Start now.
Okay. Do it very
And while
quickly.
the kids are doing that at
Right.
home, Anif, it's your turn to complete here.
I will complete it
Yes.
as well. Okay, let me try. Odd numbers. I will not look the ones below here. So let me try it.
It could be greater numbers. It could be 2, 3 digits as well as
2, 3
okay,
digits
it's up
as
to
well.
you. Yeah.
Let me try this. I will have that. Okay. I'm actually writing my birthday here.
The year you born, the day, the month, and the day,
year,
right?
I will
Okay.
try. Okay. And then
8629.
3. How about
2065.
9? Huh? How are my friends at home? You all still filling in the map? Your bubble map,
They are
right?
busy. They are doing the bubble map. They are
Okay,
filling up
stay
the bubble
focused, stay
maps.
focused.
Yes,
because
yes,
I'm going to stay
focus there.
focused here. Even numbers, let me try. It could be 2. How about 4, 8? I know. I want to put this.
Can go more than 3 digits.
Can go more than 3 digits. Oh, Miss Kalai, you're challenging me. Let me
Yes.
try.
1758.
Okay. And then let's
500.
do... Oh, I'm going to go much bigger than that.
1998.
There you go.
199.
Someone said 1998. I'm going to take that too. Okay. So I got all
Okay,
mine.
Abang Anif completed. Yeah. How about the kids at home?
Hi all. Did you finish your bubble maps?
Yes. Show your bubble map. You may show your bubble map.
Yes. Show it up. Show it to the camera. Ah, okay. So I'm seeing Sachin's. Okay.
Odd. Okay.
Oh, right.
The other one, even.
Kitana, very nice. And okay, perhaps Kitana, we can start if we can have her read her answers. Is that
Yes.
okay, Miss
They
Kala?
have to read out their answers.
Okay. Ah, there you go. So I'm seeing Rishi as well. Kitana, is it okay if we start with you?
Okay.
Okay. Would you like to read the odd number or the even number first?
Odd number.
Odd number first. Perfect.
99.
Yeah, continue.
101.
99.
101. 67. 43. 91 and 7.
Is that correct, Anif?
I
should
believe
ask
so.
you.
I believe
Yes,
so, right?
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
All the n numbers sounds odd.
That's true.
correctly. Yes.
If
Next,
you
even
can show
number.
your answer, Kitana, just for us to double check. That is right. Yes. I believe your answers are... Is that correct, Miss Kala?
Yes, correct.
Well done,
exactly
Kitana.
correct. Okay. Now, even number.
34. 96. 26. 2022. 44. 10,042.
I heard 2, 4, 6, and 8 at the end.
That is
that
right.
correct, right?
That
yes.
is right.
Yes. Awesome.
And show your
Good job,
answers, Kitana.
Kitana. Okay, show the even numbers. Yes. Okay.
That
now,
is right.
want to ask the... Shall
Good
we
job.
move on? Yes.
Okay. Who
Others,
else?
one more key. You read out your answer.
Okay, who else would like to try? And perhaps let's choose Karthik. Oh, okay. So we got someone showing a smiley there. Rishi. Okay, show us your answers, Rishi, and you can read them out one by one.
Okay.
Yes.
Say out the numbers.
8,315. 4,827. 8,531. 8,629. 2,065. 6,930.
Wow, super, Rishi.
Wow.
Okay, it's all a greater numbers. Okay. How about the other one?
Those are huge numbers.
Yes.
And next
And
we're going to
he
have
much
even numbers.
confident about his answer, right?
That is true.
Yes. Now, time for even numbers, Rishi.
1,112. 1,758. 5,002. 1,900. 1,998. 1,132. 9,360.
Wow.
Yes, Hanif.
Those are big numbers. I
Yes.
think, Rishi, you're someone who likes to dream big. So you're going for all the big numbers, and well done. But are the answers correct, Miss Kalai?
Yes, correct.
Good job, Rishi.
So
well
good job,
done.
kids. Okay, now we move on to the next interactive activity. Okay, I believe you have the maze boxes with you, as what you can see here. Okay. Okay, now teacher want you to color the odd numbers with red color and even numbers with blue color. Okay, make it very quick one, kids.
Okay.
I repeat, color the odd numbers with red and the even numbers with blue. Okay, meanwhile they are colored at home. Now, Anif, you just mark the
even
what do you
number?
want to mark? Even or
I think
odd?
I will, if I can circle the even number.
Okay.
Is that all right?
Okay.
Okay, let me look at them one by one. That looks like an even number. 1, 4, 5. 5 is at the end.
Where you must refer, Anif?
As you
Rather
mentioned,
than
Miss
seeing the
Kalai,
whole number, yes.
it's always the last
Yes.
number, the
See
last
the
digit.
last digit.
5 cannot be divided by 2. 7 cannot be divided by 2. I know 6 can be divided by 2.
Yes, you're on the right track.
Yes.
Okay, just refer to the ones place value
Yeah.
and remember the partners of odd and even numbers, and then you easily can get the identify the numbers. Okay.
Okay.
What's
I even
that?
circled that because I love it when there is a big sale out there.
Yeah. Yes, right. Year-end sales.
That
Okay,
is
everyone
true.
loves the sales, right?
We all
okay.
do. And
at the
how-
same time, why I put the pictures here? Okay, let's say book, right? So
Right.
we have odd numbers and even numbers on the pages. Right, while we are reading, sure we will face the odd numbers and even numbers. Okay,
Right.
and the corn there, if you count, sure you will get odd numbers and even numbers.
Oh, yes.
And the sunflower seeds also, you will find odd and even. And the big sale, as you say, the prices. Okay, you like odd number prices or even number prices?
As long as it's a bigger number, then I will enjoy the discounts better.
Okay, and also the seeds in the fruits. Okay,
Seeds in the fruits,
so it's all integrate odd numbers and even numbers in our daily life. Okay,
That is true. And
Yeah.
how are my friends at home? Are you all ready with your answers?
Okay, just show your answers.
Have you
your maze
Check us.
box?
Yes. We're going to see how much you have colored. Wow, okay. So everyone's ready. And Kirtana, shows your answer. Okay.
I
Do-
haven't finished yet.
You haven't finished yet. Okay. We have just a bit more
Okay,
time.
the other three heroes they completed. Okay.
Yes. But
Shall we have Karthi?
yes, I
Karthi,
think.
just
Yes, teacher.
yes. Tell the odd numbers that you colored with a red.
Okay, teacher. 3,145, 9,231, 1,557, 4,083, 3,219.
Yes, that's right, Anif. Okay, the rest are odd number, even numbers because you already circled here. Okay,
That is right.
So we check the answers. Okay, next we have to move on with another fun activity.
Yes. And
Shall we
okay,
there?
so we
Okay.
have a bit more.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm sure
Okay,
all
now
people.
take out your party bags, goodie bags. Okay. Okay,
Sure.
Anif, this is for you. No, this is the one.
Oh, that's for
Not
me.
that one.
Okay.
This is the one.
See how greedy I am.
Kids at home, you just take out the Lego sets, blocks inside the goodie bag.
Okay, can I take out
yes,
mine, Miss
yes,
Kalai?
you have to.
Okay. See, oh wow. So I'm seeing all these Lego blocks and there are numbers here as well.
Kids
The
like
numbers here.
the games, right? Lego
Okay,
games.
there's more.
Okay,
Yeah.
if you take out the sets, kids, the blocks.
Okay, so I like this.
Yes.
It's all colorful and you can see the numbers on all these different blocks.
Yes, if you notice this one, teacher pastes the number over there. Okay, you can notice that. Okay, now what you're going to do, first you categorize or you classify into odd and even number. Next, you can create your own Lego, your own creation using these blocks. Okay, start now. And Anif?
Okay, so I will start building this. Wow, okay.
First, you group them according to odd and even numbers.
That is true. I think that's the biggest challenge right now. Okay, so I'm trying to group them. Oh, you're making me nervous. This is so exciting. That's
Find the sets blocks with numbers.
yes, 14,069. That's an odd
You have
number.
to be very careful when you're grouping the odd and even numbers. Okay.
Yes, that's right.
And
Okay,
we are getting harder this time.
I'm still super excited. I have to get this right. Must get this right. Okay.
All
I
these are
think
extras, then you
group
can
them
create
enough.
your own
So I'm supposed to build something.
blocks. Yes.
Okay, let's put the wheels here. How are my friends at home? Wow, okay, they're faster than me, Miss Kalai. They're faster than me. I gotta go faster.
I can see Rishi already with his creation.
Okay. Wait, so I've just put all 4 wheels on. I think it's going to be like a car. How do we do this? Okay. So, I'll put that. And we're all still racing. I think
Actually,
I'm building a race
this game will
car.
enhance our kids to think creatively, right?
Yes, that's right. Okay.
Enhance your creative thinking.
Yes,
here.
I think it's more like a train. I thought I was making a car. Now I'm making a train with even numbers.
Okay, check all the numbers are correct or not. Even numbers.
So you have 40,004, 13,394, 51,406, 78,124, 15,612, 96,238. Are they all even numbers, Ms.
Yes.
Kalen?
Okay. How about the hot number?
Okay,
Their second
odd
creation.
number.
Yes.
Let me try and finish this. Okay, I think this is going to be a bit different for me. I will be building a boat, an even number boat. Or is that a train? Okay, let me just put so that I can have a bit of a boat there. So I have my even number car, I have my odd number boat. There, if I can read to you the numbers, 30,817, and then we have 14,069, and last one 85,929. So that's my odd number floating boat.
Odd numbers, yes.
Is that right?
Yes. So you have a boat and a car, a train. Sorry. Okay.
Yes.
Your train is even number and your boat is odd numbers,
Odd number,
right?
that is right,
Now we check the kids at home now.
Okay. How are my friends Sachin? Let's see what you have, Sachin. Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready, Sachin?
Number. This odd number.
Okay, show closely. Show up.
Oh, that's very
Odd
nice.
numbers. What is that? Can you say what creation is that? It's a robot?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So nice of you. You can create a robot. Okay. And then the second one. How about the second creation?
This teacher.
What numbers are there?
Even number.
Even numbers.
Oh, wow.
Show up a bit. Wow, what is that?
What is that?
What object is that?
This is this also a robot.
Oh, it's 2 different robots. Okay.
Very interesting.
Yeah. In future, I think I believe that he will
He's gonna
come up
be-
with a what AI?
Yes, AI. He's going to be a
yes.
robotics engineer.
Yes.
Okay, who else is ready?
I think Rishi.
Rishi. Share. Oh, okay. So Rishi, okay. So perhaps Karthik, you can share also after. We can see Rishi's first. Can we have a look, Rishi, what you have built?
Rishi, show your
With all
creation.
these numbers.
Yes, your Lego set. Wow, what is that?
What is that?
Can you guess what is that?
Yeah. Tell us.
It's
Rishi.
like a fire engine. Okay, show the numbers. Either it is odd or even. Show the numbers. Okay, your fire engine with odd numbers. Okay, the other one?
That is
The other one? Even?
Even
What is that?
boat.
Boat.
It's
It's
a
what
boat
you
as
created.
well.
Boat.
So
okay, next.
boat of even
you can
numbers?
Ask Karthik. Yes,
Yes,
it's
and
right.
And a fire engine with odd numbers.
Yes. You can ask Karthik next.
Okay, Karthik, maybe last one, Karthik. Let's do a very quick one. Share with us what you have built and tell us what numbers you have on those structures.
With even number, I created a train.
Wow. So cute, your train. But I can't see your numbers. Can you show the numbers? Yes.
there you go.
Okay. All that are even numbers, right, Anif?
Yeah,
Rest.
that is
okay.
right. How about your odd numbers? Last one.
With my odd number, I created a gun.
Wow,
Pistol.
gun.
A gun. Okay.
And all that are correct. Odd
Okay.
numbers.
But you need to also
Yes,
stay
an odd
safe,
number.
alright? Yeah. So well done to Karthik, well done to all of you for the structure that you have built.
They are really creative-minded children, right?
They're very creative mind, yet we're still
with a short period, they have grouped the numbers correctly, odd and even numbers, and also they have created their own imaginary. Okay, it's so wonderful, right?
It's wonderful, and I think we'll be doing a bit more construction right now because I want to build a bit more. So we're going to take a short break. Make sure you stay tuned with us on DLP TV KPM.
TV KPM. DLP TV KPM.
You are back with us on DLP TV KPM, and today it's very exciting because for mathematics dual language program we are learning two different types of numbers. There's odd number, there's also even number, and of course with me I have Miss Kalai who has been teaching with us throughout this whole session, and I have my other friends as well joining us. There are four of them there. And Miss Kalai, I have a problem.
What problem is that?
Yesterday I was walking around. I wanted to buy a new TV.
Wow, new TV? Since it's your birthday, okay.
Yes, it is. So I want to get a new TV for my birthday, and I was looking at two different options. So one TV was 4,500 ringgit. Another TV is 4,393 ringgit.
Before that, what is the mode of payment? You're going to pay cash or by credit card?
I'm planning to pay by cash.
Okay, this is the financial literacy actually.
That is true.
Okay, so what's your problem now?
So I am not too sure. TV 1, which is 4,500, or the second TV, TV 2, 4,393. Which one would be the odd number or the even number?
What Anif is trying to integrate is odd numbers and even numbers, right? So you tell me.
Okay, or can I get some help from my friends?
Sure.
Okay, so
they
let's
are
try. Yes,
champions
perhaps I can
there.
try and ask Kirtana. So I wanted to buy a TV, Kirtana, and it's 4,500 ringgit. Is that an odd number or an even number? Can you tell us why?
Even number.
Why is it an even number?
Because it's n with 0.
Oh, is that right, Miss Kalai?
Tell the price again.
It's 4,500 ringgit?
Yeah. As what Kirtana said, it ends with 0. So 0 is an even number.
Okay, that solves one problem. I have another problem. Another TV at 4,393 ringgit. Can someone help me? Do we have Kartik? So Kartik has his hand up. 4,393, an odd or even number?
Odd number.
That's an odd number. Why is it an odd number?
Because the last number is 3. Number 3 is an odd number.
Okay, I need to check with our teacher, Miss Kalai. Is
yes,
that right?
Yes, it's right. Yes, absolutely right.
Okay,
Kartik.
Wow, okay. Thank you so much to our pupils, of course. And now I know my TVs. One is an odd number, one is an even number. All right. And Miss Kalai, I'm seeing these lots of cups in front of me. Am I supposed to count the cups to know is it an odd or an even number?
Okay, before we move on with this fun game, okay, I know you're enjoying, okay, today.
It's a celebration.
Now, yes, of course, it's a celebration. Okay, I would like to mention here, okay, the 0 is always a curious bit because why? Either it belongs to odd or even number. So, we know that today we learned that 0 is even number. It's grouped as even number, okay? I hope clear with that. Okay, now back to this one, okay?
Right.
This is a fun game. Okay, what Anif is going to do now, you take the loop, the band, okay, you throw on the cups, okay, and then you take out the number from the cup and then you have to identify either it is an odd number or even number.
Okay, so I'm supposed to throw
so
this.
So we are going to
so
play
it's
now.
Just like a real fun fair. Let me try. And do I get any? Oh, okay. Let me try one more time. Oh, I'll take that one.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to try one more time. So let's hope it goes through the cup. And
exactly.
I got it. Okay, so it's through here. And I'm supposed to take the number now?
Yes.
Okay, so what does it say here? It says 8,154. 8154.
Okay, you can tell the answer or you want to ask the kids also can?
Okay, perhaps I will check with my friends who has not tried. Rishi. Okay, let's go with Rishi next. Sachin, you'll be on ready, eh? So Rishi, it's 8,154. Is this an odd number or is it an even number?
Even number.
Oh, why is it an even number?
Justify your answer,
Because
Rishi.
with 4.
Because it ends
and
with
with
4.
four,
Is
yes.
is that the correct answer,
Correct,
Miss Karen?
correct, absolutely correct.
Well done, Rishi.
I'm
well
happy
done.
because they know already how to identify the number, okay? And
Right.
they remember that 4 is an even number.
That is true. Should I try again?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm back at the fun fair. Let me try.
Wow,
Okay,
Anif.
let's go with that one then. Okay, I think we'll give this to Sachin this time. Okay, Sachin, you ready? It says here 9,399. 9,399. Is it an odd or an even number?
That is odd number.
It is an odd number.
Is that right, Anif?
I think so. Why do you say it's an odd number, Sachin?
Because the last number is 9. The 9 is an odd number.
You are simply superb, Sachin. Yes,
Well
right.
done.
Yes.
Well done, Sachin.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to try a few more. So this is a good test. Let's see. Oh, it went there. It went there. Okay. So, this is a huge number here. It is 17,615. 17,615. Who would like to try? Give a quick. Raise your hand quickly. Okay.
So everyone is ready.
Kartika, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kitana.
Kitana. I'm sorry, Kitana. There you go. So 17,615. Is
It's
it odd?
an odd number.
It's an odd number. Are you sure, Kitana? Why do you say it's an odd number?
Because 5 is an odd number.
Brilliant.
That's our kids yet. Yes.
That's a good answer?
Yes, yes.
Brilliant. Okay, shall we play more?
Maybe
Should we
this is
play
the
more?
last one.
Last one. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm going to try. I think I can throw it a bit further to get the last one. And whoa, there you go. Whoa. Let's see what's
Very
in
smart,
here.
Anif. Yes.
Let's see what's in here. Okay, so we get this one. Last one. Who else have not answered? So we have Kartik, right? Kartik, this is 6,284. I repeat, 6,284. Is it an odd or is it an even number?
It's an even number.
It's an even number. Why? Justify your answer.
Because the last number is 4.
Because the
4
last
is
number
an even number.
Okay.
Yeah, you're absolutely correct. Awesome.
Okay. So good try, Kartik. And I think everyone is successful in getting the right answers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell you what, Miss Kala. Because everyone got great answers, they're all accurate. Maybe we'll do one last one to challenge you, and we'll see whether you get the right answer. Can we do one more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
And the moment I have the number, you're gonna raise your hand quickly, and then we'll see that this is the tiebreaker to see who wins, who gets the most points. Are you ready, my friends? Okay. You ready? Yeah. I would assume that you're ready. There, you can give me a thumbs up. All right, great. Okay, so get ready. The first person to raise their hand will get the answer. Will give us the answer. We'll see whether that's right or wrong. And I'm gonna try and throw. Okay. Oh, there you go. Let me go and pick it up. Okay, so let's try again. I'm gonna use my old technique. And so.
Own technique, yeah.
Okay. Aha. Here's a
This
oops.
time also a huge number, yep.
Okay, here's a huge number. Get ready, everyone. And
They already raised up their hand.
not yet.
Hands down. Okay.
Only when I give
Just
you the
stand by
number.
like this, okay?
Okay. Wow. Okay. I like Sergeant's technique. He's like, okay. Ready? So the number is 54,097.
I think it's Rishi first.
Rishi,
yes.
okay. So I repeat again, 54,097. Rishi, what is your answer?
Odd number.
It's an odd number. Tell us why it's an odd number?
Because end with 7. 7 is odd number.
Is that right, Miss Kalai?
Yeah, very good, very superb. It's marvelous.
Brilliant. Okay, so I think that would be the tiebreaker because Rishi is the one who got the extra answer. Well done, Rishi. Actually, well done to all of you because you all paid so much attention, very focused, and definitely managed to get the right answers. And we have come to almost the end of our program. And Miss Kalai, if you can share with us a summary, a conclusion of what we have learned today.
Of course, I have to tell. Okay, so kids out there, okay, everyone, viewers at home, okay, today's lesson, as what we looked at the beginning, we learned about numbers. Okay, focus of today is odd numbers and even numbers. Okay, as what we travel all the while, and the kids able to identify odd numbers and even numbers correctly. That's the first, Hanif. Second one, they know how to classify the numbers correctly based on the methods that I taught just now. First, by using the division strategy. Second one is looking the partners and pairing. Okay, third one is pairing, and the third one, the other one is look at the last digit or the ones place value. As if you notice, when we comes to the end, they can rapidly tell the answer. Right, even though it's a greater number, by looking at that one digit, the last end digit, they can tell the answers correctly, and most of the answers are correct, right?
Yes.
So that means I'm very happy that today's objective is obtained, okay? They're able to answer correctly, okay kids? Okay, so entire today lesson is by learning these odd numbers and even numbers, I believe that it adds values to our life and as well as to their life, okay? I truly believe that it adds values, okay? Because why give us, by learning the numbers, it gives us confidence to be flexible, to solve any mathematical problems or issues, and at the same time it encourages their analytical thinking, right? By setting that Lego sets, okay, and doing the iting map and also the maze, okay, I truly believe that it sure enhance your analytic thinking today. Okay.
That is true. Analytical thinking, very critical and also very creative.
Yes,
I'm sure,
we
right?
had in a fun way, right?
In a fun way. Mathematics is fun. Don't worry, it's not difficult. Mathematics is easy. And of course, if you are curious to know more, if you want to do more exercises, I'm sure, are they able to go on Sumberku, Miss Kalai?
Yes, of course. Yes, they can log into the Sumberku and then Sumberku portal, and there are plenty of exercises on this, okay?
That is right. And with that, definitely, I have to say 1,000 times, is that an odd number or an even number? I have to say 1,000 times thank you to our teacher today, Miss Kalai, for such an amazing session. Miss Kalaivaani from Suppiah from Sekolah Jenis Kebangsaan Tamil Rawang Selangor. And of course, from the same school, I would like to thank all 4 pupils, 4 my friends who joined us today. They are Karthik, they are Rishi, Kirtana, as well as Sachin. All of you are brilliant. There you go. Can you just wave at the camera right now? Wave at the camera, wave at everyone. And well done to all of you. And of course to my friends at home, well done. I'm very sure you are able to answer all the questions that were given today. And my name is Hanif Sean, and I hope to see you again. Remember, do lots of exercises, physical exercises, do lots of exercises on Sumberku. Stay focused and you all will be successful pupils. So we're going to see each other again on DLP TV KPM, and bye everyone.